Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use a TikTok video as a wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to use a video from TikTok as your live wallpaper on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in the App Store, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok app. And after updating the TikTok app, you have to simply open the TikTok app here, and here you have to simply search for TikTok live wallpaper. So here you can simply search for live wallpaper, and after that you have to simply select a video which you want to as a live wallpaper. So here you can simply select videos, and in videos you can select any videos, and after that you have to simply click on here that share button, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to the live photo section as you can see here, and you have to simply click on live photo, and after that it will be saved as your live photo. Now as you can see, live photo saved in your device. Now if you want to set it as your live wallpaper, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of wallpaper. So here you can simply click on add new wallpaper. So here is option available, so you have to simply click on live photo, and now as you click on live photo, all of the live photos will be available to you, and you will be able to add that video which will be available as your live photo in your iPhone photos. Then you can simply select that photo, and after that you will be able to use that photo as your live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.